Hello and welcome. We are going to a cemetery, graveyard. It's basically martyr cemetery. Okay, that building is presidency, the president of Azerbaijan. Okay guys, these are the pictures of heroes, those who sacrificed their lives for Azerbaijan. Hello and welcome. We are going to a cemetery, graveyard. It's basically martyr cemetery. All the martyrs of Azerbaijan and Armenia war. This war started in 1990 and then it continued. It was a long war. It just finished in 2021. And Azerbaijan had certain areas which were the part of Azerbaijan, but those areas were taken by other country, Armenia, and then there was this war. So this graveyard or cemetery is of the martyrs, and there are martyrs there. Okay, I'll show you that. We just go and see the monument. Okay, that building is presidency, the president of Azerbaijan. His offices and all the public dealings, they are there. Okay guys, these are the pictures of heroes, those who sacrificed their lives for Azerbaijan, for their homeland. And the first picture that you saw, there was that couple, and the day they got married, the same day they were martyred. So all these are people who actually gifted their lives to their homeland, Azerbaijan. As we are going there, so you can see, the nations, they never forget their heroes. So nations always remember their heroes, and for their heroes they have this monument here, right? Downside you can see there is the graveyard, and there are the graves of all these heroes here. So their graves are here, right? And you can just see it there. So now let's just go to that monument, and I can see some fire there as well. So let's go and check. Okay guys, now I show you one of the wonders of the nature, right? We've got natural gas fire, and this fire has been like this for years and years. The weather is so cold, and this fire is actually a blessing here. And this is all natural gas, right? And see, this is one of the wonders over here. And another wonderful thing is that from this place you can see Baku. Okay, yes, absolutely, there we were. If you could see that place, that mall, then Carpet Museum, right? And we've got the flame towers here, right? It's all beautiful. And you can see it is still cloudy, right? And it's always like this, it is cloudy. It snows here a lot, but now the weather is cool, but still it is cold because of the wind and the clouds, and it is raining, drizzling, not exactly raining, but it is drizzling. So because of this drizzle, the weather has turned cold, but it is beautiful. Yeah, I mean, one is enjoying. The cold is not like that much cold that you say it is disturbing. It is not disturbing. It is that what you enjoy, and all good, huh? this vlog, in this video, I'm going to give you a panoramic view of Baku city, and even you're going to take a look at Caspian Sea as well. Right? This is, I know they call it Highland Park or whatever the name is, but from here you can have a bird's eye view of Baku city. Right down there you can see the mall, carpet museum is there, okay, and then the Ferris wheel is there, and this is Caspian Sea, which you can see. Exactly, you can see the sea, right? Okay, like whenever I go to another place, it mesmerizes me so much that I forget about the previous place, okay? And most importantly, it's the weather of Baku that is so, it is windy, right? It's cold, right? I mean, one can enjoy coffee or any other hot drinks in this cold weather, and this panoramic view. Oh my god, okay, like before coming to Baku, I had heard a lot about Baku. Oh god, there were different views, different opinions about Baku, but now I have made my own opinion, and whatever I heard about the beauty of Baku, after witnessing that beauty, I would say beauty is Baku and Baku is beauty, okay? Yes. You know, it's a kind of a place where you will never get bored. You will enjoy, and it is affordable. I would say it is affordable. Taxis are not very expensive. It's not very expensive to stay and eat. Even you can have a shawarma or a wrap in 2 manat. Okay, that is equal to 1.1 manat. If you have $1, you can get 1.7 manat. So in just $1, you can have $1 you can eat, okay, and the hotels are not very expensive, so you can enjoy your stay here as well. Right behind me we've got the flame towers. So flame towers are you know, iconic towers, and Baku is known for its flame towers. You see flame towers and you immediately think about Baku. I'm so lucky that I'm here with my family and we are enjoying a lot. It's our first day in Baku. Yesterday we landed here and now we are having a lot of fun. Now we've come to Baku Old City and they have preserved the place very well. All the buildings are old and they are in original form. I mean, there are old shops and the shops have been kept in their original form. So we are going to see this old city. It's beautiful. Okay, let's go on.